Daniel. You would have.
Yesterday I didn't tell you it's sold out.
No.
Because you didn't say you want to buy this one. Yeah. I'm so sorry.
So where can you buy this from?
Direct from China. Yeah,
From you?
yes, because this is especially for the outdoor. Just 5 years.
So how much is it costing?
It's around 50.
55
No, $15.
each roll.
Yes,
How
show one
many
piece.
meters will it?
300 meters.
300 meters.
One row can make 20 pieces.
Like this 20 pieces.
This one 20 pieces.
What do you call these?
MMA.
MMA, no?
It's filament.
Filament. Okay.
But the next time in April, I will come back again. I will contact you.
I didn't do very well on the leveling, so that's why there is some, it's not perfect like before that.